Panatang makabayan, niibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng ating lahi, kinupkup ako at tinutulungan, maging masama.
It's beginning to look a lot like
And a Happy New Year.
Where are you at in your life right now?
At my limits.
What's a fast solution to a headache?
Forehead kiss.
Sir, excuse me. What would you do if you get locked out of your room?
I'll talk to the lock
Talk to the lock? Why?
because communication is key.
How lazy are you?
I'll marry a pregnant woman.
Have you ever experienced back hugs?
No, only backstabs.
Oh, I...
Sino bang matapang dyan?
Ano ang English ang punong-puno na ako sa'yo?
I'm fully charged for you!
Hindi na nagagawa, kaya siguro lagi nakatingin. Kasi yun na lamang ang magagawa. Inaabangan ako na mawala, kaso lang ang malala, nadapa, kakatingala. Sa kapunta.
Kung ang bulak ay cotton, ano naman ang bulaklak? Kotonton!
Kahit dasal ka ng dasal, hindi mo naman binabago ang iyong asal, ay hindi ka pa rin magiging banal.
1, 2, 3, go.
Lalaban tayo! Oo! Punitin ang sedula!
Please welcome JC! JC, pare, go!
What's up? Wawawin!
Kunwari, tawagin ka yung sekretary din, sabi niya, Junel, hoy! Ganon? Hindi siya. Ano? Junel. Junel.
Lights, camera, action.
It's so the very freshly. And so the light is the apple in the fresh the apple is thin. It's so yummy good. It's so the yummy. It's so the apple the juice. Okay, you see the version for the apple juice. It's so yummy.
Candy. Bubblegum. Yosi na lang, miss. Putang ina, sinabi ng ayoko eh. Tangina mo rin.
Noy, mending, papa, mama, Noy.